Once upon a time, there was a merchant who owned a very clever parrot. The parrot could talk and mimic almost anything. The merchant loved the parrot and took it everywhere he went. One day, the merchant had to go on a long journey, so he left the parrot in charge of watching over his shop. Before leaving, the merchant told the parrot, "Make sure no one steals anything from my shop while I'm away." The parrot nodded and assured the merchant that everything would be fine. A few days later, a thief came to the shop and tried to steal some valuable items. The parrot saw the thief and started yelling, "Thief! Thief! Help! Help!" The thief, startled by the loud noise, ran away empty-handed. The parrot was proud of itself and couldn't wait to tell the merchant about how it saved the shop. When the merchant returned, the parrot eagerly shared the story. The merchant listened carefully and then asked, "What did the thief look like?" The parrot thought for a moment and said, "He looked like you." The merchant was shocked. "What do you mean he looked like me?" The parrot paused, realizing it had made a mistake. "Maybe. But I still scared him away." The merchant chuckled and patted the parrot on the head. "Well, at least you did your job. Next time, though, make sure to look carefully before you start yelling."